Look at those raggedy old things. And they're not even that old. Problem is, when one goes bad, it drags the other down. So they both might not be bad. Let's test them and see. All right, let's see what these things are. All right, we got a 12.5. And this one is 12.8. So that tells me this one right here is probably the one that's bad and taking that one down in the middle of the night. All right, that was about a 30-minute upgrade. That includes me moving the camera all around and climbing up and down ladders. Easy. Those things are resting at 12.9 fresh out of the box, so I can't wait to see how they perform inside this truck. This is our second set of batteries in the last 5 years, so they just go bad. That's it. It ain't rocket science. This is a quick battery change, but at least it's for the better. We got AGM versus your old-fashioned flooded, fluid-filled, water-filled. Nice solid charge. So I know it wasn't the alternator doing it. That's about it for my quick 30-minute upgrade on this F250. Should be good to go now. The way this thing eats batteries, I'm so happy I did it because I think the AGM is going to perform a lot better. And well, thanks for watching. XS Power for the win, of course, and I'm out.